Hey, buddy, what's up? If you talk any louder, I think I'm gonna fall apart. Okay, here's a little joke for you. How am I like a bad actor? I'm always losing parts. Wow, tough playroom. Mr. Potato Head, what's it to you? And there's no way I'm supposed to be babysitting. What was that? Can you speak up? No yelling, please. You'll scare me to pieces, literally.